Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I thought of sharing a room tour with you all. I've personally curated my nest. I love to play with colors and I've tried to make this space as lively and refreshing as possible. Hence, without any further ado, let's start the tour. Keep on watching. This is the entryway and the door laminate has a rose bouquet design. Once you open the door, at the first glance, this is what you see. It looks very serene and peaceful, and by the way, it's not this clean always, but you get the gist. So, on the right hand side, once you enter the room, that's the wall of frames that I have curated. In front, it's a reading as well as a relaxing nook, which is surrounded by various storage units, and on the left hand side is my bed, and that's pretty much everything what my room entails. As you can see, this is the wall of frames and I've meticulously hung these all. Most of them are my paintings which you can pinpoint easily. The quotes on the other hand are the things that I have purchased from online stores and then I have framed them. Painting is one of my favorite hobbies and hence I have painted some of the art pieces which truly speak to me and are very personalized. There are some dream catchers as well which have been gifted to me by my friends. Over the past couple of years, I've curated this wall in such a way that it has its own language and has a very calming vibe to it. I can just sit here and look at this wall of frames for the rest of my life cause it's very indulging and soothingly hypnotic. I truly love it a lot and from every corner that you look, it just spreads positivity and peace. The adjacent wall is a small storage space. At the bottom is a four-sided open storage turntable. The turntable comes very handy as it creates a space for ample storage. As you move upwards, there are four open shelves. On the bottom shelf, I have placed a very small flower pot in which I had planted a Portulaca vine. Then there are a few pine cones that I absolutely adore and that I had collected from a trip to Dalhousie. On the second shelf, there are a few decor pieces which look really very beautiful, like the peacock candle holder and the Buddha statue. Moving on further, I absolutely love beaches and seashores, hence I have painted the bottle with the same theme. On the third shelf, I have placed few of my favorite books. I truly resonate with them and I'm very selective when it comes to reading, hence I'm not a bookworm as you may think. On the topmost shelf, I have placed two replicas of Eiffel Towers and two treasure chests which I use as storage units. All in all, this corner looks aesthetically pleasing and isn't cramped up too much. I love things to be kept clean and tidy and that's what I've positively tried to do here as well. In the middle, I had a vision of having a huge French window and having a reading nook as well. Hence, back in 2016 when I had renovated my room, I went with that dream that I always had in my mind. There's ample of storage below and above is just an open space to relax, chill and spend some quality time. I've kept it very minimum and elegant. The view from here looks like this and on the shelves below I had glued some tile stickers which I used over here and they add a depth to this wooden laminate. From above I get to see my garden in its all glory as well as I can put my legs down the window pane and sip a cup of hot ginger tea. So in all I have three major storage units and I've segregated and kept all my personal belongings in them. Just to clarify, I have my wardrobe in the master bedroom. On the left hand side there are three huge open storage units. I've placed my laptop and important documents here on the bottommost shelf. Then above that I've created this memory space in which I've kept little mementos that I've received over the years, some letters that have been given by my friends, my first diary, the first copy of my published book, gifts from my friends and some other lovely goodies. I've kept two of my favorite itters as well. I'm a huge fan of ittar and I love the aroma and the perfume as well. Personally speaking, small little things do matter to me a lot and hence I've dedicated this corner especially for them. Moving along further, I've dedicated this shelf for my stationery goodies. I've kept my acrylic colors, my paintings, my paintbrush and whatnot over here. I usually take some time out whenever I am free and I start painting. Hence this space comes very handy. On the wall adjacent to it is where I have hung the vertical mirror and above that I have hung a chukor. From afar the wall looks something like this as seen in the clip and on the chandelier I have hung some artificial flowers which look really very beautiful. I guess it's safe to say that I have kept this wall very simple and chic. This is my bed and it's always a bit messy, but for the filming purposes I have kept it tidy. I'm a cuddle baby, hence I keep the extra pillows on either side. Above the bed is a pride flag painting which I've converted into a heart, and I've glued these butterflies which symbolize that they are free to conquer their dreams and be themselves. I've painted the pride heart and it took me around 5 days to complete everything. All in all, it was worth the effort and I absolutely truly love this painting the most. It's not just a painting for me, it's a part of me as well. On the left hand side, I've hung a dream catcher which is pride themed and it looks very gorgeous. I love how these vibrant colors pop and somehow make the space lively and ecstatic. Below I have placed a flower pot, and then there is my first published book that I have kept and 2 Reputation album magazines. I'm a Swiftie if you don't know already. Last but not the least, on the wall adjacent to the main door, I have hung a dream catcher and some more frames. Music, traveling the world, and living life to the fullest is what I abide by, and that's what these frames convey. This is all what my room entails, and it's all that I've ever wished and dreamt to have in my room. So, if you like my room tour video, do follow the drill. That is, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, do subscribe to my channel, that is What's Cooking Kabir, and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, bye, take care, be safe, much love.